Wake up to the sounds of the sea on your Hike Croatia cruise before having breakfast on board your traditional Croatian ship. With your hiking boots on, your camera at the ready, and an appetite for adventure, it's time to start exploring. Every day you'll walk, climb, hike, and explore all the natural beauty Croatia has to offer, taking in impressive views, historically rich towns, and native flora and fauna along the way. The afternoons and evenings are reserved for swimming in secluded bays, sipping coffee at waterfront cafes, and enjoying the magic of Croatian cuisine, hospitality, and culture. Every day takes in a new hiking trail, allowing you to discover the varied and rewarding terrain Croatia has to offer.